Hello guys, how you doing? How was your weekend? I hope you had a refreshing, fantastic weekend. Ready to face the market this week. So in this video, what I'm going to be breaking down is gold for the next coming trading week. So if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned with us to the end. Share with a few friends that you believe the video will be helpful. And if you aren't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button down there because you're missing out on content as the coming video right now. So let's start right on from the monthly time frame, guys. I'm going to start off from the monthly time frame. So as the week opens, we're going to open on the 15th of March, right? So looking at this from the monthly perspective, this is gold. There is no doubt that the prices are in a very crazy bullish move, right? This is a bullish trend, no doubt about it, because the prices are creating from these lows, they're creating higher highs, right? And higher lows. You can see here, we had this low, we had a higher high, we had a higher low, we had a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now predicting that prices will be creating another higher high because that's the trend that we're in right now. If we try and draw this market structure here, where prices actually came from, something like that, right? So that's how the prices are right now. And as you can see here, if we zoom in this monthly perspective, just what is happening here, you can actually see prices had this low here. Prices created, we had a low, and then we had a low, a lower high, and then we had a lower low, and then prices created the same high, created the same low, and then created a higher high. So that means this previous market structure right here was broken. So that means the trend is still bullish. So from this monthly perspective, I can say that the trend is bullish and it's still very, very, very bullish. So now let's move on to the weekly time frame and see what's happening down there. From the weekly time frame, we can actually see that prices reached this all-time high that was hit at the peak of the corona pandemic. So it reached again here last week and then gave us a strong rejection, as you can see here, leaving a pin, a strong crazy rejection right there. So the most recent market structure that was broken, while looking for that, this will be it, right? Because that's the most previous high, or the according to the market prices. Now, when I say the most previous high, I don't mean by the market prices where they were. I mean by the market prices where they are. Like here, the closest market structure is right here, but the most previous market structure will be down here. So you look at the most recent, like the closest one, the market prices. Okay, so that's on the weekly time frame. Switch up to the daily. Okay, you can see that prices did tap our area and it's kind of losing more. It's kind of losing momentum, there. Okay. So my bias, I have a bullish bias, obviously, from the get-go of the monthly time frame, right? But as you can see here, prices have really done themselves. They've been pushing for quite a while. No doubt about that. It's a crazy bullish move. It's a crazy bullish momentum. So here's my scenario. Now, if prices hold on this market structure here, then I'll be expecting to see prices push higher, right? But if they break, I'll be seeing prices come here before we actually go higher because I'm still in a bullish bias, right? Now, how do you know if prices are going to break or hold? First, you look at the market structure. Like here, from the daily perspective, you can see that prices are losing momentum. So we can use that to our advantage that maybe the bearish trend is ending. And then you come to the lower time frames and look for actually even more confirmations, right? So for instance, here we can draw this trend line here. Okay. We can start it from here. We have the first touch, the second touch, and this was the third touch, right? So now for this bearish move to occur, prices will have to break below this trend. So if you see prices have broken below this trend, just wait for a retest here and take your trades all the way to down here before you take that bullish move, right? Excuse me. So this will be some sort of oh my God, almost 820 pips, almost 820 pips if prices do break below that. Now, on this bullish structure here, for prices to push up, this is what I'll be expecting. I have to go to the lower time frames, even lower time frames on the 1 hour. Okay, on this 1 hour, you have to look for a break in the trend. As so. So in this, in this trend, in this bullish trend, for the prices to be bullish, you'll have to wait for prices to break above this trend line, probably come above this resistance area from below. But when it breaks above, it becomes a support area. So from this support area, it will be a clean slate all the way up there. So once you get a retest on this support area, swimming all the way up here, it's over 550 pips. So either way, if prices break below, it's an 800 pip move. If prices break above, it's a 500 pip move. So yo guys, gold is going to be late for the coming week. I hope you're going to be following up on it and seeing how it goes, so that we won't miss out on these trading opportunities. So guys, I hope we have a great trading week. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. If you're new to this channel, again, my name is Black. You can join my Telegram channel that is linked in the description below so that you won't miss out on daily updates on the market prices. So till next time, guys, this was Black speaking. Peace and love.